Hello and welcome. This video will address in Section 1 how to access physical books, how to access ebooks in Section 2, and finally, Section 3 will show students how to request books from other libraries. This section of the video will show students how to find and locate a physical book through the library. First, to find the library homepage, go to regent.edu, then go to My Regent, the same way you would find your classes on Canvas. Once you are signed in, it should relocate you to this page. Then select the Library Resources tab. Then if you already have the book title, go ahead and copy and paste it into the Primo search bar. Primo is a tool that searches our databases and catalogs. Once you have located the book, you can click on the title to view the call number or request the book for pickup, which will be available for pickup at the Regent University Library front desk. If you are an online student, you can request the book to be sent to your home address by selecting Request Regent's Copy, Pickup Location, and putting your home address in. The student will be responsible for shipping the book back to Regent's library. Now, this section will show students how to locate an ebook copy of their book. Once you're at the library homepage, if you already have the book title you are looking for, copy and paste the book title into the Primo search bar. Then on the left-hand side, you can select ebook. Once you select ebook, you should see the ebook copy listed in our library. And then you can select available online, which this will redirect you to the databases where it is available. Select a database. Then you can select PDF full text. And this will redirect you to the online copy of the book. If the book is listed as unavailable, you can request the book through other libraries. And in the same way, you can select pickup location, home address to have the book shipped to you if you are an online student. Next, if you still cannot find the book you are looking for, you can select this tab, Still Didn't Find What You Need. Click here to create an interlibrary loan request. Then you will put in the information of the textbook you are requesting, whether you want a digital copy or a physical copy. Then you can select the pickup location as your home address and submit the request, and Regent's Library will work with you in obtaining a copy for your research. And as always, if you have any questions, you can always contact a librarian who will be more than happy to assist you.